The Child Protective Services investigation into the home of teen mom Jenelle Evans and David Eason is over, and children Kaiser and Ensley won't be taken away. The months-long CPS case against Jenelle and David's North Carolina home, known as The Land, has been concluded, multiple sources informed the U.S. Sun. The U.S. Sun was informed by a source that the CPS case against the household is closed, and the younger kids will not be removed. The source clarified that the resolution of that case has nothing to do with Jace's CPS case or the criminal accusations David is facing for the alleged assault of the 14-year-old. Jace will never go back to Jenelle's home, not as long as David is there, said a source. According to a second source, CPS has purportedly conducted at least 2 interviews with the youngest children since the investigation was launched in response to reports that Jenelle's 35-year-old husband had allegedly injured their oldest son in late September. As exclusively revealed by the U.S. Sun last week, David's charges have been enhanced. After being indicted by a grand jury in North Carolina, he is currently facing a felony charge for assault by strangulation and a misdemeanor prosecution for child abuse. On September 28, Jace said he was attacked by his stepfather in front of a neighbor's house. David recently came clean and denied any misconduct. David's lawyer and a representative for the former reality stars have been contacted by the U.S. Sun for comments. CPS was contacted by the U.S. Sun as well for a response. A clerk informed me that on January 10th, a grand jury heard David's case. They found enough evidence to take his case out of district court, where misdemeanors are held, and bring it to Superior, said the clerk of the court. District court hears misdemeanors, traffic, and other infractions, whereas felony cases are heard in Superior, they continued. According to court records that the U.S. Sun first made public, David willingly harmed his stepson by leaving marks on his arm and neck. As the child's parent, the defendant willfully and illegally caused physical harm to Jace V. Evans when he was younger than 16 years old. The physical injury inflicted caused marks on their right arm and left and right side of the neck, and was inflicted by other than accidental means, according to the court petition. The alleged attack happened right before the 14-year-old made his third escape from Jenelle's. According to a source, Jace admitted to the hospital authorities that the violent encounter happened the night before he fled in front of a neighbor's house. He further disclosed to the authorities that the attack was seen by others. They had a Ring camera that recorded the event, the insider only revealed to the U.S. Sun. Jace's mother, who reared him, gave up custody of him to Jenelle in March 2023, at which point the boy became Jenelle's legal guardian. Following David's purported attack, Child Protective Services assumed custody of Jace. For a short while, Barbara, who had reared Jace since infancy, took him back. After Jace ran away from Barbara's home in November, he has been under medical monitoring ever since.